This is Sales Secrets with Follow Up CRM.
So, what's your name? What do you do?
Hey, good morning. My name is Zach Wallach, and I'm a residential roofing contractor.
Now, how does the process of replacing a roof go for you typically?
When you're dealing with homeowners, historically change the roof maybe once or twice in their lifetime. So this is a big purchase. It's the fifth wall, so it's a very important, aspect of their home, but they're unsophisticated at the same time. So at Kairos, we provide a consultative approach where when somebody comes or calls us in for whether it's a leak repair or a replacement, we take an unbiased approach and go out there and provide our professional opinion. So we dispatch somebody who goes out there, who performs our takeoff services, measures everything, takes the photos, and then we have an in-house estimating team that'll review the project and prescribe what we feel is the best fit for that client to fit their budgetary constraints, as well as making sure that we're prescribing something that's going to serve them long term.
This has been Sales Secrets with Follow Up CRM. Please like and subscribe, and remember to bid less and win more.